Good morning, everybody. Another week's beginning in the markets. So I thought I would go over gold first today because we've had some huge movement. Um, First of all, I'm going to take a look at the weekly because it gives you more of a clear picture of the bullish trend that we're on. Now, technically, we've broke the long-standing bullish trend, but we also have to consider horizontal demand support as well as a trend line. Just because the trend line is broken doesn't mean that it will continue to go down. Now, we may see some little sideway action, retest and break down further below, or this monthly or weekly demand zone that we're at here could hold and we could push up again. This could be just a fake breakout to collect liquidity for everybody that was previously buying, all the stop loss, etc., etc. So if you look at the daily chart, you can see, look at that. Price came down literally right to the pip as the previous two times on this demand zone, and it's wicked right out. That shows to me that this zone is incredibly strong and there's a lot of buyers here, possibly even big institutional buyers. This candle is currently a 50% candle, which means the body is 50% or less than the total candle from wick to wick. So if we finish this candle on a 50% candle and tomorrow's daily candle finds support, then I will be buying from here. So I will probably be sending out a buy setup from this demand zone. So yeah, the trend line has been broken, but it's not the be all and end all. Obviously, there's a lot of other factors to consider, so I'll possibly be looking to buy from that zone. Euro AUD, we've had a lot of good trades on this over the past few weeks. A couple of easy ones that we took. We got the retest of this broken wedge, and we bought up there. That was a nice 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Delete those now. Then, as I said, as this demand zone was created to break the previous high, I would look to buy in. We bought in from this candle here to the supply zone. Then I said I was closing the trades, which was a good decision because we dropped right back down to the demand zones again. Last week I said to buy again from this daily candle close on this inverted hammer. And yeah, currently in profit on this trade. I think we'll visit supply zone again. Whether it's a long-term bullish trend, I'm not too sure. Again, I might look to close again in the supply zone, but it could possibly break upwards and again up again. But this trend is it's pretty basic. It's what you expect as a trend. We're just getting higher highs and higher lows all the time. You can pretty much see how much it conforms to the moving average on its way up. So these trades are pretty easy, pretty basic setups to take. So there should be no problem in buying these setups, as you can clearly see. It creates a demand zone on the way up. Price comes and touches it, wicks out. You get the signal. You buy up. Same again. 50% candle, doji off the demand zone. Buy up. Job done. Easy pips to take. Euro GBP. A lot of bearish movement recently. I sent out a couple of days ago. It was actually yesterday, I think. Yeah, that I'll be buying from demand zone at the bottom. This weekly zone, big weekly zone, nice and strong, caused all that bullish movement. Doesn't look like this daily zone's gonna. Well, it's already been broken. If it closed below, then it's just confirmation. So I will be looking to buy back up from this strong zone down here. Something like that. Okay. So we close below here. I think he's pretty much definitely going to visit this demand zone. So look for finding support as soon as we touch this demand zone. Look for a daily candle close, a doji, a hammer, anything like that. And that will be my signal to buy again on this pair. GJ, we're getting trapped into a corner. Still holding a buy on this position. That's a lovely buy signal. That. Look at that wick out. Big hammer. Buy. Oh, how many pips are we up there? Currently set up 350 pips. Now, technically, we're still in a bearish trend. We've had lower lows and the highs have still not broken yet. We've had equal highs to the last lower high. But as I say, this is why we trap the price into a corner. This is either going to break out above, probably start the next part of the bullish move and keep going upwards, or it's going to respect the trend, break below, retest and sell back down. So yeah, if it breaks below, that'll close my position. Take whatever profit we can out of that. So that's what I'll be looking out for on GJ. And that is everything. Went over gold, went over GJ, Euro GBP, AUD, Aussie dollar. I was waiting for the price to come back up to this zone here for the sell and meet the demands, meet the moving average. We did get some bullish movement, but it wasn't enough for me, for my interest. I was looking for it to break, come back up, down below again. If it continues, then I would possibly look to buy from this demand zone at the bottom here. I'll possibly look to come back up maybe. Yeah, that would be my next thought on the Aussie dollar. I did want to sell from this zone here that was broken, but it didn't come back, so I'll wait for it to come down for a lower price to buy in at the demand zone, and that'll be what we're looking for on the Aussie dollar. So yeah, so that's it for this week. Mark up your zones and wait for price to come to you. See you again.